Hey everyone, my name is Richard and welcome back to Scrap 2 People, where I'm trying to make my own version of the Iron Man armor and my own version of Jarvis. Now this is going to be a quick update video to show what progress I've been done. Mainly it focuses on SITU, my version of Jarvis. Now the main thing I've done adding to SITU is I've been working on her checking my email. Basically I have 3 emails that need to be checked through a single web portal, single website. And to check them, I need to log in, check any emails, log out, log into the second one, check, log out, and do the same for the third. But C2, I've got her set up so that every couple of minutes she checks all 3 for me and alerts me if there's any unread email. And yeah, I'll jump over and get her started. But yeah, that is what C2 looks like at the moment. When she starts up, she checks my email straight away, and then every 5 minutes she will check all those 3 email accounts. And if there's an email, she'll say, "Oh, this email account has a certain number of unread email." The moment originally when I had her running, I did have it set up so that she'd only push out an update whenever there was new emails. So if I had one email, then a couple of minutes later, a second email, she'd only alert me every time those individual emails came out. But with that, I had a bit of connection issues. After about 40 odd minutes to a couple of hours, she would crash because the email connection would time out. I didn't know how to fix it. But I have fixed it. I have to rewrite the email checker so that she logs in, checks emails, and logs out every time she checks the email. So with that, I had to rewrite the email bit so that she only checks the email every 5 minutes, so she doesn't overload the email servers. But I'm working on getting that functionality back where she only lets me about new email when there's a new email rather than every 5 minutes, because at the moment when I get an email she will say, "Oh, it's a new email," 5 minutes later, new email, and keep spamming me with it until I check the email. It's not too bad. It's more of a minor issue that I'm going to fix. I know there's a typo in her name. Intelligence has 2 L's, but yeah, that's pretty much where C2 is at the moment. But yeah, I will be making more progress with her. Since I've been using a new editing software, I can actually show her in action, and I'll try and basically I do have more things. It's kind of slow going at the moment because I'm trying to get everything. Anything I try to add to at the moment, I'm trying to get to a decent position before I move forward to the next step. So it's kind of slow progress. I know the lighting's going down, but yeah, that's where she is. That's where we are at the moment. No progress on the suit because I have no idea where to start on that. But yeah. I'll end this here. If you want to be notified when I go live next, please consider hitting subscribe. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. There will be a link to there'll be a subscribe button on screen. There'll be a link to a random video up there, and there'll be a link to the Scrap Super Hero playlist. My hand is down here at the bottom. And with that, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow, most likely. Bye, everyone.